This is the LCD lamination process at Skyfitronics. First, compressed precision brings the glass and display into perfect alignment. Every press counts, tight, clean and seamless. Next stop, bubble removal. The OCA layer gets a flawless finish as the vacuum chamber pulls out every last air pocket. Then it's locked in place with UV light curing, strong, stable and ready to shine. The result? A smooth, crystal clear surface that looks and feels brand new. No haze, no marks, just pure quality. Skyfitronics, empowering sustainable solutions.